Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add apps through Windows Defender Firewall in Windows 10. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Windows Defender Firewall. Click All an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings. Click Allow another app. Browse to select application. Click Open. Click Add. Click OK. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.